Welcome back to Phayte Effect. Back to my YouTube channel, the best channel in the world. Welcome back to Phayte Effect. Guys, I have a very interesting video planned out for you guys today, but I don't want us to do this intro inside the house, so I'm going to be taking you guys outside. So welcome to my mini garden at the back of my house. Over here I have Bitterleaf, the scent leaf, and then some other things that I've already started dying because I do not wet it. Today we're going to be cooking local bitterleaf soup and pounded yam. I cannot wait for us to get straight into this video because this soup will literally change your life. Take it from me. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you drop a comment below in the comment section, and do not forget to turn on your post notification. It's the little bell button close to that subscribe button. With all that said, let's jump into the video of today and let us learn how to make Nigerian bitterleaf soup and pounded yam. So guys, the first step is to actually cut our bitter leaf, cut as many as possible. Plus, look at my garden looking all beautiful. Right now it is cooking time, and right now I'm just gonna go ahead and pick our bitter leaf. This is a really cute spider that I saw on the sink. Now I'm using a little salt to wash out all the dirt in our bitter leaf. As you can see, it's looking really dirty, and I'm going to go ahead and boil it. A lot of people like washing it intensely, but I actually love boiling mine. Right now we are cutting our Kpomo. You guys know how much I love Kpomo. In fact, I cannot cook without Kpomo. You see, Kpomo and Crayfish, I cannot cook without it. I just love it so much. Now, as you can see, we have our Cocoyam, and this Cocoyam is literally one of the secrets of today. We're going to use it as a thickener for our soup, and we're going to boil it till it gets soft. Ooh, we have our goat meat on the fire, and I'm going to be adding our chopped onions into the goat meat. I'm also going to be adding our Kpomo. You know, I'm going to be adding our stockfish. You guys know how much I just love all this Kpomo, stockfish, crayfish, stuff like that. So I'm going to be adding everything into the water, and I'm going to be adding our seasoning and crayfish into it. I also added fish, and I'll just be adding a little water. Then I'm going to close it and allow it to boil. As you can see, our cocoyam is finally soft, and I'm just going to go ahead and pound it till it gets smooth. Yeah, look at my face. So we're pounding it till it gets smooth, and you can see it has no lump in it. Everything is boiling, and now I'm going to add 2 soup spoons of palm oil into the pot, and I'm going to go ahead and stir it carefully. Now we take our cocoyam that we just pounded, and we're just going to be putting it gently into our pot. Now, in case if you can't do it with your spoon, you can go ahead and use your hands, but make sure your hands are actually washed. So we're going to stir the soup gently. The main aim is to actually melt the cocoyam inside the pot, but you do not want to break your fish, so we're just going to go ahead and stir it gently, and then we'll leave it to boil. Let's not forget our pepper. Now, after it has boiled a little bit, we're going to be adding the secret ingredient, our bitter leaf, and we're going to stir gently and leave it to boil. As it's boiling, let's go ahead and prepare our pounded yam. Now I actually have a yam pounder, but I decided to do this video like this. I decided to show you guys my pounding skills and look at how this is so sumptuous. Now our food is ready, and I actually have a mini mukbang for you guys, meaning we're going to eat it together. Guys, so I'm finally done with this beautiful dish. We have pounded yam and bitter leaf soup over here, so we're just gonna dip it. So everywhere was just so sunny and hot. When I said this soup will change your life, people thought I was joking. And as I said in this video, like the Cocoyam really made, you know, the soup really thick. If you don't put enough Cocoyam, you might end up doing somehow. Like this soup is amazing. I'm really tired. This one is for you guys. This is literally the soup you need to be eating today. I'm not even exaggerating. This soup is everything. Okay guys, so it's time for our post notification shout out. So let's go. The first person that's getting a post notification shout out is Blessing Tom. The second person is D1. The third person is Darwin Kelly, and the last but not the least person is Emini Headboy. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for actually commenting on my last video. Thank you for turning on your post notification. It really means a lot to me. Plus, I want to tell you guys that Phayte Effects is now on Facebook. So anytime you actually visit Facebook, just type in Phayte Effects and you'll see our page. I'm going to make sure I will be very consistent over there on that app, and I'll be posting some videos that I have already posted over here on YouTube. Plus, I'm going to be giving you guys so many information over there on Facebook. So if you're not following Phayte Effects on Facebook, please make sure you do that. I love you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You guys know how we do it. Smash it, smash that like button. Do not forget to drop amazing comments under the comment section. I know you guys love cooking videos, so please tell me how much you really love this video in the comment section. Plus, if you have like cool video ideas that you have, you know, video recommendations, you can also tell me in the comment section, and I promise to actually do this video for you guys. Do not forget to turn on your post notification. You guys have seen that I always give post notification shout outs on all of my videos, so please make sure you do that. With all that said, I will see you guys next time on my next live video. Bye, love you. Today we're going to be cooking a very amazing dish. We're going to be cooking Mommy, don't talk inside, please. Yeah. Okay, so welcome to my mini garden at the back of my house. Anyway, I just almost fell. And this is my scent leaf. Don't worry, I'm going to give you guys like a montage or something. Yeah, don't know what I'm saying.